guys, what is up? This is Lauren and we're at SeaWorld Orlando to see what is up with Penguin Trek and what is going on with the rest of the park. Let's go inside and take a look. And not too bad of a line, actually not too much of a line to get into the park. The parking lot was also pretty empty. And I'm actually surprised that the Christmas decorations are still up, but I do expect those to be taken down soon. Christmas merchandise on sale, 30% off, and you can see they have 2024 merchandise also here. Got cute little orca with dolphins. So yeah, expect maybe to be going down some more coming up soon. All right, and we're over at the Penguin Trek side. Let's see what's going on. So I found some breaking news here. We have a coaster bunny. All right, and the sky tower is open, so let's see what's going on the site.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild. A chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket and each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts. Habitat
Hey there. Hi. It's a sleepy seal. He's like, what you talking about?
You're mad, are you? Alright. It's so cute, then is it? No more, all gone.
So Infinity Falls is back up from dry dock, but the good news, it's only got a 5-minute wait. Alright, so we got more work going on by the Orca Stadium. They got this big work wall up on the side, and I did see a crane as I was on the Sky Tower, so yeah, that's happening. So yeah, it looks like all the access ways to Orca Stadium are closed right now, so you're gonna have to make a long walk just over by Lake Manta. Alright, so right now the Orca Stadium is undergoing more refurbishment, so it is closed for now. So right now you can do the Dine with Orcas, or you can also see them at the Orca Encounter. And as I was filming this, it started at 35. I saw the line, I was like, there is no way this is 35, and it jumped right up to 50. So yeah, even on a slow day, icebreaker, of course, one train at a 50-minute wait. The sea of trees is still up, but the ice skating is starting to be taken down. So that's going bye-bye. So I don't think I've ever seen the space used over here. It looks like they have a Dippin' Dots cart and a drink over here. Maybe for the New Year's they had that. Alright, that's our feathered friends, the pink chickens, flamboyancing around. And yeah, looking good. Also over in the SeaWorld store, we got some new merchandise, it looks like. So we got some brown and black hoodies, silver small little tumblers, black bucket cap, and then a brown belt bag. So yeah. Alright, so that's gonna do it for an update from SeaWorld Orlando, where we gotta check out the Penguin Trek construction site. And also the Orca Stadium is undergoing refurbishment of their own. Christmas decorations are still up, but we expect those to be down shortly. And as always, we will be back. So guys, follow our socials, and we'll see you next time. Bye!